Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Rockstar account from Steam. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. In order to do this, you're going to want to have your Rockstar Social Club account open. So you want to come across to the Rockstar Games website and log into your account. Also at this point, you want to have your Steam account open, so you can do that on the app if you want to. So you want to make sure you've got both accounts opened. Now to actually go ahead and unlink your Rockstar account from Steam, all you want to do on the Rockstar website is come up to the top right hand corner, click on your profile icon up here and come down and click onto settings. So that's going to take you across to your settings page. If you look at the top, you've got some different tabs, and what you want to do from here is click onto link accounts. Now you should see the Steam account link in here. If for any reason you don't see your Steam account here and the option to unlink, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click on your profile icon, and then come down and go on to help and then click onto support. And then from this page, what you're going to want to do is press onto social club, and then on the next page, go ahead and select the social club account. Now what you want to do is go ahead and select the account linking option here, and that's going to bring up a form like this. So what you're going to want to do is a few details you want to enter to submit this, and the first thing you're going to need is your actual Steam ID. So you're going to enter that into the box here. Now to go ahead and locate your Steam ID, what you're going to want to do is open up Steam on your device, and if you come up to the top right hand corner, you want to click on your profile up here where it says manage account, and then come down and press onto account details. Now you will see here underneath where it says my account, we've got our Steam ID. So what you want to do is basically hide like this, right click and copy, and then what you can do is go ahead and come back to the social club website, and what you want to do is just go ahead and paste that into the box here. So in the description box, all you want to put is something like this. So it doesn't have to be word for word, but if I want to unlink my Steam account for Rockstar Social Club, my Steam ID is listed above. So they got the Steam ID, so they can locate my accounts. Once you go ahead and done that, scroll down and press the submit web ticket button. Now underneath is going to give you an estimated response time at the moment. You can see the estimated response is less than 24 hours. Now this does depend on how busy they are. Sometimes it can take up to a month, but in most times it's normally resolved within 24 hours. So that's how to go ahead and unlink your Rockstar account from Steam. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.